everyone, welcome to Food in a Flash. I'm Coach Callie in the Health Promotion Department at Group Health Cooperative. Today's Food in a Flash topic will be dates. So, a couple quick facts about dates. Fresh dates are one of nature's only dried fruits, so they grow in a naturally pruny state. Dates are a rich source of minerals and fiber, and they dominate the world of natural sweeteners. They're a great sugar substitute that also packs nutritious and fiber-filled punch. So a few nutrition facts about dates. Per 100 grams or 4 pitted dates, there are about 277 calories, 7 grams of fiber, and 2 grams of protein. Dates also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals that are essential for the body. They contain about 20% of the daily recommended intake of potassium. And potassium is great because it aids in normal cell functioning, electrolyte balance, and a healthy cardiovascular system. Dates also contain about 18% of the daily recommended intake of copper. So copper is great because it's responsible for iron absorption and immune system performance as well. And then dates are also contained of they contain 15% of the daily recommended intake of iron. So iron is great for red blood cell production, metabolism, and brain function. And then dates also contain about 14% of the daily recommended intake of magnesium as well. And magnesium is a mineral that supports nerves, muscles, and blood sugar levels. Dates also are a significant source of antioxidants, calcium, manganese, and B vitamins, so they pretty much contain everything. And then dates also have plenty of benefits as well. They encourage healthy blood cells for one. So dates hold a considerable amount of iron, which I mentioned before, so this increases oxygen flow to the bloodstream. And the high iron content can also prevent symptoms of anemia, including fatigue, dizziness, and shortness of breath. And dates are also great for supporting digestive health. They're naturally soft and mushy in texture, so they tend to be easier on the digestive system. In addition, the fiber cleans intestinal walls and encourages the growth of good bacteria, which helps to ease digestive issues such as bloating and constipation. And then dates also promote heart health. The potassium content tends to decrease high blood pressure and LDL cholesterol. And since they're also low in sodium and high in fiber, this reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease as well. Dates are also a great source of energy. They're high in natural sugar and carbohydrates, which offers a quick boost of energy when needed. In addition, the high fiber content tends to slow digestion, which prevents blood sugar spikes. And then finally, dates also offer anti-inflammatory benefits. The antioxidants and the minerals in dates are essential for lowering inflammation and hindering cell mutation. They can decrease the risk of various conditions, including osteoporosis, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and certain cancers. The typical season for fresh dates is mid-August to mid-March. Packaged dates are available year-round. So in terms of shopping for dates, try to aim for fresh dates that are shiny and thick. Dates are naturally wrinkled, but avoid those that are cracked, dry, or tough. You can also purchase dates that are prepackaged and pitted, so those are easier to get as well. And in terms of storage, fresh dates should be refrigerated in an airtight container. They will keep for up to 8 months. Packaged or dried dates tend to have a longer shelf life. They can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for about 6 to 12 months. Be sure to keep them in a cool, dry place away from heat sources. And they can also be refrigerated for up to 1 year. It is recommended to freeze dates in an airtight bag if you plan to store them for over a year. And in terms of preparation, dates can be used in a lot of different recipes. However, due to their sweetness and their stickiness, they're used as a natural sweetener. However, just be sure to be cognizant of your portion sizes, as they can be calorically dense and a little bit higher in natural sugars. But they can be enjoyed raw. They can be eaten right out of the container. Just be aware if there is a pit inside. Dates are easy for blending, so they can be tossed into a smoothie with banana or blended into a liquid for a makeshift caramel sauce. And dates are also great for baking. You can create a dough, so to speak, by blending dates in a blender or a food processor. They can be shaped into no-bake brownies or bars. You can also create an energy-boosting snack with dates. You can roll blended dates with oats, nuts, or honey into little balls for a quick and easy snack. And then you can remove the pits and you can stuff them with things like almond butter, goat cheese, or chopped nuts. So kind of adding a protein punch as well. And then with dates, you can also get inventive with your veggies. So you can combine them with chopped Brussels sprouts, like I did put in the chat with the recipe. You can put them in with broccoli, asparagus, or carrots. And with those recipes, you can also add feta cheese or nuts for a flavorful side dish. And when you're using dates and cooking as well, they tend to pair well with nut butter, cinnamon, and nutmeg. So that's all there is about dates today. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day, guys.